Welcome to New Car, where we bring you the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we introduce the 2026 Modified Jeep Wrangler, a true beast designed for extreme performance and aggressive styling. This custom-built Wrangler sports a fully modified aerodynamic body with widened fenders, deep air intakes, and a race-inspired front splitter. The matte orange exterior with black detailing adds a striking contrast, while the number 34 on the side gives it a motorsport identity. Its low stance and aggressive body kit make it look like a perfect blend of a rugged off-roader and a track-ready monster. The wheels are nothing short of spectacular. Ultra-wide, low-profile performance tires wrapped around large black multi-spoke rims, giving it an unparalleled road presence. The suspension is heavily modified, lowering the ride height for enhanced aerodynamics and stability. Inside, the 2026 Wrangler continues to impress with a race-spec interior, featuring lightweight bucket seats, a digital performance dashboard, and an advanced infotainment system. The cabin is focused on driver engagement, with premium Alcantara and carbon fiber accents elevating the overall feel. Under the hood, this Wrangler isn't just about looks. It's powered by a high-performance twin-turbocharged V8, delivering an estimated 800 horsepower. Paired with a custom-tuned racing suspension and an advanced all-wheel drive system, this beast dominates both streets and tracks with ease. If you're a fan of extreme modifications and next-level performance, the 2026 Modified Jeep Wrangler is a machine that commands attention. Stay tuned to New Car 808 for more exclusive automotive content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.